So we're in the last quarter of 2025. What's marketing going to look like in 2026? If you run a small business, pay attention. 2026 is shaping up to be a turning point for marketing, not because of another shiny tool, but because of how customers are changing. The truth is 2026 will be the year marketing either proves its value or gets cut. Every dollar you spend will have to show a clear return. And the small businesses that thrive will be the ones that build smarter, faster systems without losing their human touch. Let's talk about what's actually changing. First, budgets are shifting from broad ads to smarter data. By 2026, more than half of small businesses are expected to use AI-powered analytics to decide where to spend their ad dollars. That doesn't mean your bigger budgets. It means better focus. Instead of chasing impressions, successful small businesses will be tracking what matters most: cost per qualified lead, not cost per click. So if you're still running ads that point people to a generic homepage, that's not going to work as well. You'll need targeted landing pages, crystal clear calls to action, and offers that solve specific problems for specific people. If you're in a smaller area, you can still get away with no offers if you're not in a crowded space. But if you're in a major metropolitan area and you have say a home services business, and you're not being specific and don't have offers, you're going to get gobbled up. Second, local marketing is going ultra precise. Neighborhood level marketing is becoming the new standard. Neighborhood level. It's not about being the best in town anymore. It's about being the best on this block. Platforms like Google and Meta are rolling out tighter local ad zones and better proximity targeting, so keep an eye on that. That means if you're not optimizing for near me searches, Google Maps visibility, and local reviews, you're going to disappear from results before customers ever see your website. That's a true story. And here's the kicker. Local content will outperform paid ads. Videos about your neighborhood. Videos. Been saying that for hundreds of videos that I've done, but videos about your neighborhood, your community partnerships, behind the scenes at your place, yourself answering customer questions. Those are the things algorithms will favor because they drive trust, not just clicks. Third, expect more pressure to prove ROI. In 2026, marketing teams, even small ones, will be held accountable for results like never before. That means awareness campaigns won't cut it anymore. If you can't measure the impact, it won't get funded. That's forcing business owners to finally connect with their CRM, email, website, ad data, not for vanity dashboards, but for real insights into what's working for them. So if your marketing tools still live in a separate silo, 2026 is going to punish that. Integration is not optional anymore. It's the only way to know it's profitable. And the human brand comeback. And while everyone leans deeper into automation with AI chat and instant content, customers are already pushing back. People want to buy from real humans, okay? You'll see a rise in small brands using personal video messages, authentic storytelling, and locally recognizable faces to create trust or maintain it. That's what will separate genuine businesses from the AI noise, and it is noise. And that's the paradox of 2026. AI will do the heavy lifting, but authenticity is going to close the deal. So if you're a small business owner trying to get ready for 2026, here's what to do right now. Tighten up your data. We've been talking about that. Sharpen your message. Bring your voice back into the brand. Your voice, the owner. Don't chase the next trend. Prepare for a market that rewards focus, clarity, and proof. And you'll win, because in 2026, marketing won't be about shouting louder. It's going to be about showing results, staying relevant, and sounding human. Okay? I'm Max from Maxed Out Creative. If this made you think about something in a different way, do me a favor, give me a like, maybe even a subscribe. Let's keep building smarter, not louder, as we get closer and closer to 2026. Thanks.